Hello guys, glad to have you back for another session of Nifty and BankNifty analysis. Yesterday I was pretty confident about a gap up. The reason is again the late spike was there with a good amount of single print. Despite of having a strong PPOC at 51,660 levels, so there was a late hour spike and the prices itself has entered previous August value area. I have shared you in previous video. So likely most of the time, so even if the global markets were slightly negative of 0.4%, 0.5% or 1%, markets likely will go for covering the whole value area. The global markets, Nasdaq has ended up 3.5%. Under those conditions, even the strongest buyer will at some point of time they will panic and they try to unwind their position. Despite of having a good amount of unfinished business at highs and single print support. So despite of all these, the prices opened all the way below the yesterday's value area, indicating that sellers have taken control. In market profile, again, when it comes to spike rules, if the prices opens below the spike base, this is the spike base. So if the prices opens below the spike base, it's always better to look for selling opportunity instead of buying opportunity. So the prices again opened below the yesterday support. So this support itself becomes a good resistance now. So prices started going up. So because of yesterday's strong value, whatever is there, it started going up, but then the low itself has opened outside the value area of yesterday. So the prices started again coming down. So coming for tomorrow, this single print from 51,700 to 51,820 will act as a very good resistance. So for any kind of longs, this single print area has to be covered. Likely in the first 1 hour, if it gets covered, and there is a good chance the prices might go to 52,000. Otherwise, this will continuously act as a good resistance. So if you look at today, the high itself has been rejected around the single print and nowhere the prices have broken the high. So which speaking about sellers are strongly in control. If at all there is a gap down and all, unless the prices gets accepted below 51,300 levels, you can expect another sideways market. Likely this will be tested 51,435 levels, and likely this single print also will be tested, but breaking in a single go, it's very less likely. If at all flat opening is there, likely the high itself, it's not a very proper structure. This we call it as ledges in market profile, which gets revisited, which is also a weak price magnet, but they get revisited. At the same time, the low itself is a open low, and we do have another open low. So if you look at from last 4 days, nowhere the previous low has been broken the previous day low. So that speaking about buyers are trying their best to take control, but I think it will cover the whole value area all the way towards 51,430. So it's going to be a sell on raise till the single print is covered. So somewhere 10 to 20 points above this 51,820 is the single print high. So somewhere up to 51,830 to 840 levels, it's going to be a sell on rise. So if it gets accepted above 51,840 around levels, you will see 52,000 easily. So this is with Bank Nifty. So coming to Nifty has opened far below the 3-day multi-day balance. So whenever the prices opens previous multi-day balance, it again we can call it as a good breakout. So until again the prices gets accepted above the multi-day balance low, which is somewhere near to 25,300 to 310 levels. So unless that prices gets accepted above that, it's going to be a sell on raise. The gap whatever has been created, that itself acts as a very good resistance. So if it gets accepted, then you can easily expect the value area high somewhere near to 25,380 levels, and you can easily again expect 25,400 plus levels also. So till then, I would suggest look for selling opportunity. So if at all, let's say if the prices gets accepted below 25,140 levels, then you can see the prices covering multi-day balance low somewhere near to 25,000 levels. So 25,000 again, it might act as a very good psychological support. So for further any downtrends, I was speaking about, this itself is a good weak low. 24,880 levels. Someday it might get revisited, but don't expect immediately, because the area from 24,970 to 24,880 itself is a strong buying tail. So a straight down move, it's very less likely. There will be multiple pullbacks around these levels. It might come down, it might go up, and again it might come down, it might go up. That's how the buyers here will be defeated. So a straight down move, it's less likely, but very rarely it might happen. If there is a dumping and all, that might happen also. So if the prices gets accepted further below 24,890 levels, you can easily see 24,830 is for sure, and then this poor low 24,790 levels is also very much possible. So if there is going to be a flat opening tomorrow, that is going to be again a tricky one, because market will likely again cover the entire value area of today. So look for whether the prices will break 25,310 levels or downside 25,140 levels. It's not just the breaking. Look for 5 to 10 minutes, 15 minutes sustaining below these levels. If it sustains, then there is a good possibility it will go for the other side of the value area. So first target will be POC, second target will be value area low. Same thing here. The first target will be POC, the second target will be value area high. So this is with Nifty, guys. So as I was saying, all this analysis is going to be one thing, and what happens tomorrow, the first 30 minutes and 1 hour is going to be more important. To get live updates, you can follow my Telegram channel, which I am attaching in the description. Or if you are keen on learning order flow and market profile, just go through the playlist which I am attaching at the end of this video. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.